In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Pinterest marketing and how to use Pinterest to grow your business. Before I jump into step number 1, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Step number 1, create a business account. You need to create a business account if you want to reach your target customers. Having a free business account will allow you to look at things like Pinterest analytics, which I'll talk more about here later. With a business account, you'll have access to other features as well, like a profile that clearly states that you're a business. And you'll also have access to Pinterest widgets. You can also easily convert a personal account into a business account. Additionally, you can run ads on Pinterest. To do this, you need to upgrade your account and set up your payment method. Using this part of Pinterest is not free. However, this can be helpful to target your audience more aggressively with Pinterest's Ads Manager. Step number 2, choose the right categories for your content. If you choose the correct category for your material to be shared in, your pins and boards will become more searchable for people wanting to find similar content to your business. People can find specific categories on Pinterest. They can go to the Categories section of any profile and take a look at all of the content related to the topic they're trying to find. The most popular Pinterest categories include travel, health and wellness, and beauty. Step number 3, have unique images and videos. Pinterest thrives on lots of images and videos, just like other social media sites. You want to make sure you're posting images and videos that market your products and services and promote your brand. In addition to that, you want to make sure your pictures and videos stand out from the crowd. If your content isn't unique and different, then people won't want to follow you. Here are ways to make sure that your content is the very best. A. Create branded videos to promote your services and products. 75% of people say they are likely to watch branded videos on topics that they're interested in. B. Make use of branded images without a face. These types of photos receive 23% more pins than those with a face. C. Use Pinterest's promoted video feature. D. Limit the amount of white or blank space you use. Pictures with 30% less blank space in the background are pinned most. E. Be sure to use videos and photos that show your products being used. This way, people will be able to easily envision themselves also using the product. F. Make your videos between 30 to 90 seconds long. Videos with this length have been proven to have the highest performance rate. Number 4, use keywords. If you want to organically appear in users' feeds and searches, then you need to be using keywords throughout your profile, pins, posts, and boards. By using keywords throughout your profile, posts, pins, and boards, you'll be more likely to organically appear in users' feeds and searches. On Pinterest, keywords and phrases are linked to certain subjects that people are looking for. Let's say that your business sells luggage. Well, in this case, you might use keywords and phrases such as going on a trip and vacation in your pins and profile. Now, when a user searches one of those terms, your profile will show up in their feed. Use keywords in the following locations: board descriptions, board titles, pin descriptions, bio, and profile. For those of you who want to spend money on Pinterest ads, the platform offers a keyword targeting option that can help you reach your target demographic. Number 5, use hashtags in your content. Keywords and phrases that are preceded by the hashtag symbol are called hashtags, and they're a great way for you to reach your target market and organically market to them. Hashtags on Pinterest work in the same way as hashtags on Instagram and other social media sites. When hashtags are properly leveraged, they can make your content more searchable. Hashtags help people find pins and boards relating to a particular subject they are searching for. When people click on a hashtag you've linked to your pins, they're taken to a page where they can see all of the platform's previously published material tagged with that term. To increase your exposure, add hashtags to your pins, boards, and sponsored content, if any. Number 6, share your content on other social networking sites. In order to improve your chances of being followed and seen, try sharing your pins, images, and videos on other social platforms. This will really help you promote your Pinterest account and content. By claiming your business's Pinterest account on Etsy, Instagram, and YouTube, your followers will learn how they can view more of your content, and they'll see what other platforms you're on. Claiming your account will also give you access to analytics and data on all of these pins. This way, you'll be able to find out the other networks your audience is most interested in. You can even link your Pinterest account to your Facebook and Google accounts. This will help you to easily find and add friends, speed up your login on all accounts, and share material across platforms. Number 7, engage with and follow other accounts. It's important to initiate and maintain personal relationships with other Pinterest users. In order to do this, you have to follow and interact with them. With this level of engagement, your followers will feel more loyal to you and your brand. This will keep them coming back to your profile for more ideas, inspiration, and products. Here's some actions you can take to build strong relationships on Pinterest. A. Follow users who have an interest in your niche. Search keywords and hashtags or review the people who follow your current audience. By doing this, you'll find new accounts that have an interest in the type of content you post and the kind of work that your business does. You'll want to follow these accounts. B. Interact with their content. Like, repin, and comment on the material your fans and followers share. C. Reply to your followers. Be sure that you respond to any messages that your followers leave on your content. This will help to personalize their experience and make them feel more connected to your brand. D. Create engaging posts. You want to get your audience involved in some way. Have them participate in a giveaway or a contest, for instance. You want to have engaging posts that teach your following how to do something, and you want to create material that shows off your expertise in your industry. Number 8. Join community boards. Joining and establishing community or group boards is another great Pinterest marketing strategy for getting your material out there. Users on Pinterest may invite others to contribute to a board, which is an excellent way to get your content in front of new audiences. Look up prominent pinners in your field and see whether they belong to any groups relevant to your business. Within the description, many users will include restrictions or a link to join, so check it out and see what you can find. Typically, all you have to do is send an email to the owner or fill out a contact form and follow their account for them to add you. You'll want to remain active in those boards, pinning your own material, but also curating other content so you're not just advertising your business. Number 9, make use of social media best practices. Rules that apply to other social media platforms also apply to Pinterest. Be sure you're posting frequently and on a routine, as well as engaging and interacting with your followers. Also, please avoid obvious self-promotion. You don't want to feel overly pushy or needy. Don't force your audience into anything. You want to add true value with your content. Try using the following tactics to boost your engagement on Pinterest. A. Encourage your followers to include your brand in their content, and if they do, offer to repost or repin their work. B. Give your followers some kind of prize or incentive for following and interacting with you. C. Keep your followers continuously coming back to your profile by offering discount codes, coupons, and any details and updates concerning your most recent products. D. Make sure that all of your content has a purpose. Everything you post must be helpful and useful to your followers. Before I move on to the final step, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Also, type the word yes down in the comments below if you are going to start using Pinterest to grow your business today. Number 10. Evaluate the results. You want to make sure that your Pinterest marketing strategy is working. You need to know if you're actually improving your business's conversions and brand awareness. You'll need to evaluate your referral traffic, leads generated, number of engagements, and so on. The best way to do this is through Pinterest Analytics. There are 4 main types of information that Pinterest Analytics will give you. A. Metrics about your profile. B. Statistics on your most popular pins. C. Platform statistics to see how people engage with your content on desktop and mobile devices. D. Insights about the amount of individuals who repin and save your material. In addition to Pinterest, another great social media platform you can use to market your business is Twitter. If you want to learn all about Twitter marketing, click the video on the screen. Here, I'll share with you everything you need to know in order to use Twitter to grow your business fast.